Keeping your home organized can feel like an impossible task, but with the right tools, it becomes effortless. Imagine having a pull-out cabinet organizer that makes finding your kitchen essentials a breeze, or a slim storage cart that fits perfectly in those tight spaces. From a collapsible laundry basket that saves space to a sleek socket original that eliminates messy cords, these smart solutions will transform the way you organize your home. Get ready to discover must-have storage hacks that will make every corner of your space more functional and clutter-free. Let's dive in. Bed sheet organizer. Keeping your bed sheets neat and organized can be a real challenge, but this bed sheet organizer makes it effortless. Instead of stuffing your sheets into a messy pile, this organizer lets you fold and store them neatly so they stay wrinkle-free and easy to access. Whether you have multiple sets for different rooms or just want to keep your favorite sheets within reach, this storage solution helps you maximize space in your closet or linen cabinet. No more rummaging through stacks of fabric just to find a matching pillowcase. Plus, it's a great way to keep your seasonal sheets separated so you can quickly switch them out when needed. If you love a tidy and well-organized home, this is a must-have addition to your storage collection. Assembly shoe rack. Shoes can take up a lot of space, but with the assembly shoe rack, you can keep them neatly arranged and easy to grab. Whether you have a growing sneaker collection, a variety of heels, or just everyday footwear, this rack is designed to hold multiple pairs while keeping your space clutter-free. The best part, it's super easy to assemble, meaning no complicated tools or frustrating instructions. Just snap the pieces together and you're good to go. Place it in your entryway for quick access to your most used shoes, or tuck it inside your closet to keep things organized. The sturdy design ensures your shoes stay in place without tipping over, and the open structure allows for proper airflow, keeping them fresh. Say goodbye to searching for missing pairs and hello to a well-organized shoe collection. Pull-out cabinet organizer. If your cabinets feel like a black hole where items disappear, the pull-out cabinet organizer is exactly what you need. This smart organizer lets you maximize your storage space while keeping everything easily accessible. Instead of reaching deep into your cabinet or knocking over bottles just to grab what you need, you can simply slide the organizer out and find everything at a glance. It's perfect for storing pots and pans in the kitchen, cleaning supplies under the sink, or even toiletries in the bathroom. The sturdy design ensures that heavy items stay secure, and the smooth sliding mechanism makes access effortless. No more digging through clutter. Just pull, grab, and go. If you want to make your cabinets more functional and organized, this is a must-have addition to your home. Collapsible laundry basket. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier with the collapsible laundry basket. Unlike traditional bulky baskets that take up space, this one expands when you need it and folds flat when you don't. That means you can store it in a closet, under the bed, or even behind a door without it getting in the way. Made with durable yet lightweight materials, it's easy to carry even when it's full of clothes. Whether you're sorting dirty laundry, carrying fresh clothes from the dryer, or even using it for storage, this basket is a versatile addition to any home. It's especially great for small apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone who wants to save space while staying organized. Plus, it's designed to be sturdy, so it won't collapse unexpectedly while in use. If you're tired of bulky laundry baskets cluttering your space, this one is the perfect alternative. Sleek socket original. Messy cords and bulky power strips can ruin the clean look of any room, but the sleek socket original solves that problem instantly. This ultra-thin, low-profile extension completely hides ugly wires behind furniture, making your space look tidy and modern. Whether it's behind your couch, desk, or nightstand, this socket fits flush against the wall, eliminating the need for bulky, traditional power strips. It's perfect for small spaces where plugs usually stick out and get in the way. Plus, it's a lifesaver if you have kids or pets who love to tug on cords. Installation is effortless. Just plug it in and you're done. No tools, no drilling, just a sleek, clutter-free setup. Say goodbye to tripping over cables and hello to a clean, organized home. Soda can dispenser. Are loose soda cans cluttering your fridge? The soda can dispenser is the perfect solution to keep them neatly organized and easily accessible. This space-saving rack allows cans to roll forward every time you grab one, making sure you always reach the oldest can first. No more forgotten. Expired drinks. It's designed to fit perfectly in most refrigerators and can also be used in cabinets or countertops for quick access. Whether you're storing soda, sparkling water, or canned food, this dispenser maximizes space while keeping everything neat. Plus, it prevents cans from getting knocked over and rolling around inside the fridge. If you love a tidy kitchen and easy access to your favorite drinks, this organizer is a must-have. Kitchen rolling egg container. Keeping your eggs fresh, safe, and organized has never been easier with the kitchen rolling egg container. This smart storage box holds multiple eggs and ensures they roll forward automatically as you take one out, so you always use the oldest eggs first. The clear design lets lets you see exactly how many are left at a glance. No more surprises when you're about to cook. Unlike flimsy cardboard cartons, this container provides strong, protective storage to prevent breakage. It fits perfectly in the fridge without taking up too much space, keeping your kitchen more organized. Whether you cook daily or just want to extend the shelf life of your eggs, this rolling container is an essential upgrade for any kitchen. Stackable storage drawers. The stackable storage drawers are the perfect way to keep everything neatly organized. These compact yet spacious drawers can be stacked to create a custom storage solution for any room, whether it's your closet, kitchen, office, or bathroom. The clear design allows you to see what's inside without having to open each drawer, saving you time and effort. They're great for organizing makeup, toiletries, stationery, or even snacks in the pantry. The sturdy build ensures durability, while the sleek look complements any home decor. Whether you're looking to maximize space in a small apartment or simply want a more organized home, these storage drawers are a game changer. Slim storage cart. The slim storage cart is designed to fit into tight corners and narrow gaps, making it a lifesaver for organizing your home. Whether you slide it between the fridge and the wall, next to your washer, or in the bathroom, this multi-tier cart provides plenty of storage without taking up much space. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around, so you can pull it out when needed and slide it back in when you're done. Use it to store pantry items, cleaning supplies, toiletries, or even spices. It's the perfect way to keep everything within reach while maintaining a clutter-free home. If you need extra storage but don't have extra space, this slim cart is the ideal solution. Stackable storage basket, the perfect solution for organizing any space in your home. These sturdy baskets can be stacked on top of each other, allowing you to create vertical storage without taking up extra room. Use them in the kitchen for fruits and vegetables, in the pantry for snacks, or in the laundry room for cleaning supplies. The open design allows for proper airflow, keeping food fresh longer, while the strong frame ensures durability. Whether you need extra storage in your bathroom, closet, or office, these baskets make it easy to keep everything neat and accessible. Plus, their sleek and modern look fits seamlessly into any home decor. Under sink organizer. Maximize every inch of storage space with the under sink organizer. This two-tier storage rack is designed to perfectly under your sink, whether in the kitchen or bathroom. It allows you to neatly store cleaning supplies, toiletries, or even extra sponges, so you no longer have to dig through a messy cabinet. The pull-out design makes it easy to reach everything, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. It also has side hooks to hang small items like dish brushes or gloves. If you want to turn wasted under sink space into a neatly organized area, this is the perfect solution. Toilet paper holder stand. Upgrade your bathroom with this toilet paper holder stand, a simple yet essential addition for both style and convenience. Designed to hold multiple rolls at once, it ensures you never run out at the worst moment. The sturdy, freestanding design makes it easy to place anywhere without the need for drilling or wall mounting. Some models even feature extra storage space for wipes or small bathroom essentials, keeping everything within reach. Made from rust-resistant metal or premium wood, this stand is built to last while adding a modern touch to your bathroom decor, whether for guests or everyday use. This holder keeps your space tidy, functional, and stylish. Lockable storage bins with lids. If you need a secure and versatile storage solution, these lockable storage bins with lids are a must-have. Designed for maximum protection, they keep your belongings safe from dust, moisture, and unauthorized access. Whether you're storing seasonal clothes, important documents, or kids' toys, the durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use. The stackable design helps maximize space in garages, attics, or closets, while the secure locking mechanism prevents accidental spills. The transparent option lets you see what's inside at a glance, making organization effortless. Keep your home neat, secure, and clutter-free with these essential storage bins. Magnetic cable clips. Say goodbye to messy and tangled wires with these magnetic cable clips. Designed to securely hold your charging cables, USB cords, and headphones, these clips keep your desk, bedside table, or office organized and tangle-free. The strong magnetic grip prevents cables from slipping off the edge, while the compact design blends seamlessly into any workspace. With adhesive backing, they stick to any surface without leaving residue, making them reusable and repositionable. Whether you're managing cables for your phone, laptop, or gaming setup, these clips provide a clean, clutter-free, and frustration-free solution. Keep your cords organized, accessible, and always in place with these simple yet effective cable clips. Food storage containers. Keep your pantry and kitchen neat and organized with these food storage containers. Designed to extend the shelf life of dry goods like pasta, rice, cereal, and snacks. These containers feature airtight locking lids that keep food fresh while preventing moisture and pests. Their transparent design allows for easy identification of contents, eliminating the need to open multiple containers while cooking. The stackable design makes them perfect for small kitchen spaces where maximizing storage is essential. Made from BP BPA-free, durable plastic. These containers are safe, easy to clean, and dishwasher-friendly. Whether you're meal prepping or simply organizing your pantry, these containers ensure that your ingredients stay fresh, visible, and neatly arranged. Clear acrylic shelf dividers. Turn your cluttered shelves into a neatly organized space with these clear acrylic shelf dividers. Whether you need to separate clothes in your closet, organize books, or keep kitchen items in place, these dividers make it easy. Made from high-quality acrylic, they provide a sturdy and transparent solution that blends seamlessly with any decor. Their tool-free installation means you simply slide them onto the shelf. No drilling or adhesives required. The smooth, rounded edges prevent damage to delicate fabrics or wooden shelves. These dividers are perfect for maximizing vertical space, allowing you to neatly stack folded clothes, towels, or office supplies. Keep your storage areas tidy, accessible, and visually appealing with these simple yet highly effective shelf dividers. Underbed shoe storage organizer. Running out of space to store your shoes? The underbed shoe storage organizer is the perfect way to maximize storage without taking up extra room. Designed to slide seamlessly under your bed, this organizer provides a dust-free and space-saving solution for keeping shoes neatly arranged. It features individual compartments, preventing pairs from getting mixed up or damaged. The clear top cover allows you to quickly see what's inside without opening it, while the sturdy handles make pulling it out effortless. Whether you're storing seasonal shoes, extra sneakers, or heels, this organizer helps declutter your space while keeping your footwear protected and easy to access. Stackable refrigerator organizer bins. If your fridge is constantly messy and cluttered, these stackable refrigerator organizer bins will transform the way you store food. These clear bins allow you to see all your groceries at a glance, reducing waste and keeping everything neatly arranged. Designed with a durable, BPA-free build, they're perfect for organizing fruits, vegetables, drinks, dairy products, and condiments. Their stackable design saves valuable fridge space, making it easy to keep everything accessible and within reach. Some models even feature built-in handles for effortless lifting and rearranging. Say goodbye to chaotic fridges and hello to a perfectly organized, hassle-free kitchen with these must-have storage bins. Mesh zipper pouches. From travel essentials to office supplies, these mesh zipper pouches help you stay organized on the go. Made from durable, see-through mesh material, they allow for quick identification of contents while keeping everything secure and dust-free. These pouches come in multiple sizes, making them perfect for storing documents, electronics, cosmetics, and even small tools. The smooth yet sturdy zipper closure ensures your items stay securely in place, while a lightweight design makes them easy to carry. Whether you're packing for a trip, organizing your workspace, or storing school supplies, these pouches provide a simple, efficient, and stylish way to keep everything in order. Cereal storage containers. Keep your favorite breakfast cereals fresh and crisp with these cereal storage containers. Designed with airtight locking lids, these containers prevent moisture from ruining your cereals, granola, or dry snacks. The clear, BPA-free plastic lets you see exactly how much is left so you never run out unexpectedly. Their slim, stackable design saves space in your pantry, making organization effortless. Plus, they come with easy pour spouts, ensuring a mess-free serving experience every time. Whether you're a cereal lover or just looking for a way to keep your pantry neat and tidy, these containers offer a simple yet effective storage solution. Pots and pans organizer. Say goodbye to messy kitchen cabinets with this pots and pans organizer. Designed to keep your cookware neatly stacked and easily accessible, this organizer features adjustable dividers that fit pans, lids, and even baking trays of different sizes. The sturdy metal frame prevents scratching and damage, while the vertical or horizontal setup options allow it to fit perfectly in any cabinet or countertop. No more digging through a pile of cookware. This organizer ensures that your pots and pans are within reach and perfectly arranged. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just looking for a more efficient kitchen setup, this organizer is a must-have. Expandable cabinet organizer. Maximize every inch of your cabinet space with this expandable cabinet organizer. Designed to adjust in width, this organizer fits perfectly in small or large cabinets, making it versatile for any kitchen or bathroom setup. The multi-tiered design allows you to store spices, jars, and kitchen essentials in an easy-to-reach layout. The durable, non-slip surface keeps everything securely in place, while the sturdy metal or plastic build ensures long-term use. Whether you're organizing dishes, toiletries, or pantry items, this expandable organizer eliminates clutter and enhances accessibility in just seconds. Full-length jewelry mirror. Tired of tangled jewelry and cluttered countertops? This 360-degree swivel standing jewelry cabinet is the perfect solution. It's not just a mirror, it's a hidden storage organizer designed to keep all your jewelry, accessories, and cosmetics neatly arranged. With built-in LED lights, you can easily find your favorite pieces, even in low light. The rotatable design allows you to adjust it to the perfect angle, while the foldable makeup shelf adds extra convenience, whether you're getting ready for the day or a special night out. This sleek, space-saving armoire keeps everything at your fingertips, while adding a touch of elegance to your room. Clear storage container. Declutter your home with these versatile clear storage containers. Whether you're organizing clothes, toys, pantry items, or office supplies, these containers offer a sleek and space-saving solution. The transparent design allows you to quickly identify what's inside without opening the lid, while the stackable feature maximizes storage space. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these containers are built to last and protect your belongings from dust and moisture. Ideal for closets, shelves, or garages. These storage containers help you stay organized and keep everything neatly in place. Bottle organizer. Keep your bottles neatly arranged and easily accessible with this bottle organizer. Designed for water bottles, travel mugs, or sports drinks, this organizer features tiered shelving or stackable slots to prevent clutter in your cabinets or fridge. The sturdy, non-slip design ensures that bottles stay in place, while the compact size helps maximize storage space, whether in the kitchen, office, or gym area. This organizer makes it effortless to grab your favorite drink without rummaging through a messy pile. A must-have for anyone looking to streamline their bottle storage. Adjustable food container lid organizer. Tired of losing container lids or struggling with a cluttered kitchen cabinet? This adjustable food container lid organizer is here to solve that problem. Featuring adjustable dividers, it lets you customize the spacing to fit lids of different sizes, keeping everything neatly stacked and easy to find. The non-slip base prevents shifting, and the compact design ensures it fits perfectly inside cabinets or drawers. Say goodbye to the frustration of mismatched lids and hello to streamlined, organized kitchen. Over-the-door organizer. Turn and use door space into extra storage with this over-the-door organizer, featuring multiple sturdy pockets and shelves. This organizer is perfect for storing shoes, cleaning supplies, toiletries, or even snacks. The easy installation requires no tools. Just hang it over any standard door and instantly add vertical storage to your space. Made from high-quality fabric or durable plastic, it's designed to hold weight without sagging. Whether you're looking to declutter your closet, bathroom, or pantry, this organizer is an effortless way to maximize space and keep everything within reach. Shoe storage box. Keep your shoes dust-free and neatly arranged with these shoe storage boxes, featuring a stackable, space-saving design. These boxes allow you to store heels, sneakers, or sandals while keeping them visible and protected. The transparent front door lets you quickly find the pair you need, while the ventilation holes prevent moisture buildup. Made from sturdy, high-quality plastic, they're designed to last and keep your shoe collection organized and easily accessible, whether in your closet, entryway, or under the bed. These storage boxes make keeping shoes tidy and stylish effortless. And that's a wrap. These smart organizers and storage solutions are designed to make your home more efficient, clutter-free, and stylish. Whether it's the full-length mirror with jewelry storage, magnetic cable clips, or the under-sink organizer, each product brings functionality and convenience to your daily routine. So, which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home hacks and must-have finds. See you in the next one.